In a rapidly evolving landscape, federal agencies are faced with the challenge of balancing innovation, collaboration, and speed of adoption to drive mission success. At Momentum Day 2024, you'll explore this powerful combination for transformative change that accelerates your mission goals to the finish line. Learn new ideas to fuel innovation, boosting your agency with new capabilities. Collaborate with experts to hone your team's approach with precision. And understand how to accelerate your initiatives in record time. Featuring motivational keynote speaker Julia Landauer, a two-time champion race car driver. You'll come away with knowledge and insight to turbocharge business processes with new technologies, including AI, machine learning, and data analytics. Together, we can chart the course for the future of mission delivery. Join us in person for exclusive sessions and learning opportunities. So, gather your crew, start your engines, and get ready for an exciting ride. Momentum Day 2024.